Have you ever made waffles at home that looked nothing like the thick, fluffy ones you get at a restaurant? Maybe they came out uneven, stuck to the plates, or left you with a messy cleanup that made you question whether homemade waffles were worth the effort. If that sounds familiar, today's review might save your breakfast routine. We're taking a close look at the Hamilton Beach Belgian waffle maker with removable Durathon ceramic grids to see whether it actually delivers restaurant-style waffles without the frustration. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The Hamilton Beach Belgian waffle maker is designed for anyone who loves homemade breakfasts but doesn't want to deal with complicated appliances or difficult cleanup. Whether you're making waffles for your family on a busy weekday or preparing a weekend brunch, this machine focuses on making the entire process simple, consistent, and enjoyable. Instead of requiring special techniques, it gives beginners and experienced home cooks alike an easy way to make thick Belgian waffles with very little effort. One of the first things you'll notice is the overall design. The stainless steel housing gives it a clean, modern appearance that looks right at home on almost any kitchen counter. More importantly, it feels sturdy instead of lightweight or flimsy, which is always reassuring for an appliance you'll probably use for years. The flip-style design isn't just there for looks. Rotating the waffle maker while cooking helps the batter spread evenly across both cooking plates, giving you a thicker waffle with a more consistent texture from edge to edge. It's one of those features that genuinely improves the final result without making the machine harder to use. Another standout feature is the removable Durathon ceramic non-stick cooking grids. Unlike many traditional non-stick coatings that can wear out over time, these ceramic-coated plates are designed to be much more durable while also being PFAS-free. In everyday use, that means waffles release easily without needing excessive oil or butter, making breakfast both easier and a little healthier. Once the waffle maker cools down, the cooking plates simply pop out and can go straight into the dishwasher along with the removable drip tray. That takes one of the biggest complaints people have about waffle makers, cleaning, and makes it surprisingly simple. Performance is where this waffle maker really earns its place. It heats up quickly, cooks evenly, and consistently produces waffles that are crispy on the outside while staying soft and fluffy inside. The adjustable browning control is especially useful because everyone has different preferences. If you like lightly golden waffles, you can easily dial it back. If you prefer a darker, crispier finish, a quick adjustment gives you exactly that. The controls are straightforward, so even someone using a waffle maker for the first time won't feel overwhelmed. During everyday use, the machine fits naturally into a normal morning routine. Pour in the batter, close the lid, flip the unit, and let it do the work. The process doesn't require constant attention, and because the nonstick surface releases waffles so easily, serving breakfast becomes quick and stress-free. Noise isn't really a factor here, since the appliance operates quietly, allowing you to prepare breakfast without adding extra chaos to busy mornings. Of course, no appliance is perfect. This waffle maker produces one Belgian waffle at a time, so if you're cooking for a large family, you'll need a little patience while making multiple batches. It also doesn't include digital timers or advanced smart features found on some premium models. However, many people will actually appreciate the simple controls because there are fewer things to learn and fewer parts that could potentially fail over time. Overall, the Hamilton Beach Belgian waffle maker offers an impressive balance of durability, convenience, and consistent performance at a reasonable price. It solves the everyday problems that often make homemade waffles frustrating, while keeping the cooking process simple enough for anyone to enjoy. If this review helped you decide, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and check the link in the description for today's latest price and availability. If you're thinking about upgrading your breakfast routine, it's worth taking a look before the current deals change.